Hey everybody, me again, Channel Practical Paracord. Today's video, I'm gonna have my Smiling Slim Sling, 48 inches. Just hitting a few targets I set up out here, y'all. And I'm gonna use rocks from the ground. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all. Put a few targets out here. Gone, beer can, sun, target. See what I can do, y'all. Just playing around. Oh man. Alright y'all, no more games being played today. Knocking this beer bottle off that bucket. Knock it off one way or another. Let's go, Carmen. Hope y'all like what y'all see today. If you did, like, subscribe, tell a friend we do comment. That notification bell.
Practical Paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained, you know that we talking slinging. Catch 'em in Louisiana, Sling King. Find 'em down south, slinging giants like it's David and Goliath. Make sure you subscribe now. All the slinging techniques, slinging so hard I could kill a beast. Come and check me. Hey, I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord. Let's go.